Why most people feel lost in their 20s. Have you ever looked around and felt like everyone else knows exactly what they are doing, except you? I think almost everyone feels this way at some point, especially in their 20s. Social media makes it look like people already have perfect careers, perfect relationships, and perfect lives. But the truth is usually very different. Most people are confused. Some people are just better at hiding it. When I was younger, I believed life would suddenly become clear after school. I thought adults had all the answers. I imagined there was a moment when everything finally made sense. But as I grew older, I realized something surprising. Nobody really has life completely figured out. Even successful people still feel uncertain sometimes. They still make mistakes. They still worry about the future. And honestly, that realization helped me relax a little. One of the biggest problems today is comparison. We compare our real lives to other people's highlight reels. We see someone traveling, buying a new car, starting a business, or getting married, and suddenly we feel behind in life. But life is not a race. People grow at different speeds. Some people succeed early and struggle later. Others struggle for years before finding the right path. There is no universal timeline for success. I remember a friend who changed careers 3 different times before finding something he actually enjoyed. At first, he felt embarrassed. He thought he was wasting time. But now he says those experiences helped him understand himself better. That's another thing nobody talks about enough. Being lost can actually be useful. When you feel lost, you start asking deeper questions. What do I really want? What kind of life would make me happy? What matters to me? Those questions are important. Sometimes people follow a path just because society expects them to. They study something they hate. They work jobs that make them miserable. They chase goals they never truly wanted. And one day they wake up exhausted. So maybe feeling lost is not always a bad thing. Maybe it's part of discovering who you are. Of course, uncertainty can still feel scary. Especially at night, when everything becomes quiet and your mind starts overthinking. You wonder if you're making the wrong decisions. You wonder if you're wasting time. But progress is often invisible. Small actions matter more than dramatic moments. Reading 1 book. Learning 1 skill. Improving 1% every day. Those things slowly change your future. I also think it's important to stop expecting yourself to have everything figured out immediately. Life changes constantly. Your goals change. Your interests change. Even your personality changes over time. You are allowed to evolve. You are allowed to start over. And you are definitely allowed to be confused sometimes. At the end of the day, nobody experiences life exactly the same way. Your journey will look different from everyone else's, and that's completely okay. So if you currently feel lost, maybe take a deep breath and remind yourself, you do not need to solve your entire future today. Just focus on the next step. Sometimes that is enough. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.